To begin, open the Instagram app on your device. Navigate to your direct messages by tapping the paper plane icon or the messenger icon located in the upper right corner. Now, select the person or group you'd like to send the song to. In the Chat Composer bar, tap the sticker icon. Here, you will see the new Music feature. If it's not visible, make sure your Instagram app is updated. Then, tap on it. A search bar will appear, allowing you to type the name of the song or artist you are looking for. You can also explore For You suggestions or trending songs. Instagram's music library includes most popular tracks. Tap your favorite song to preview it. Then simply hit the send button to share it. Instagram will instantly send a preview of the song into the chat, complete with album art or a dynamic animation, allowing your friend to play it directly in the DM. This feature lets you quickly share and enjoy music with friends directly within Instagram chats. So that's how you can send a song in an Instagram DM.